So in a given problem is given a circuit with AC supply and diode and inductor. Is asking what is the average value of current if you close the switch. So first of all you should know how the relation between the supply voltage and the current in the circuit. So if this is the supply voltage, since it is a pure inductor, the current will be like this. Current will be like this. Now we'll go to the problem. So when I close this switch, the voltage across the inductor is equal to 10, or I'll take this Vm, I'll substitute later, Vm into sine of omega t. So what is VL? VL is nothing but L into di naught by dt, which is equal to Vm into sine of omega t. So di naught by dt is equal to Vm by L into sine of omega t. So I naught equal to integral of Vm by L sine of omega t into dt. So this is equal to Vm by L. So for this is from 0 to t. So for this sine it is minus cos omega t by omega. So this is equal to, so this is from 0 to t. If I substitute t, so this will become Vm by omega L into 1 minus cos of omega t. So this is I naught, because, or you can write this as, because when you substitute t, this will become minus cos omega t minus of 1, or you, okay, I'll put it minus here. Now he's asking what is the average value. So I average is nothing but 1 by 2 pi 0 to 2 pi into I naught into d of omega t. So this is equal to 1 by 2 pi, this is Vm by omega L minus, you can put it, so this is 0 to 2 pi into 1 into d of omega t minus 0 to 2 pi cos of omega t to d of omega t. So this is 0 average value. So this is equal to, I'll take, because it is asking this average value, I can omit the sign. So this is Vm by 2 pi omega L into 2 pi. So this value is Vm by omega L. So Vm is given as 10 and omega is 1 and the inductor value is also 1. So if you simplify this, you will get 10 by 1. So this is equal to 10 amperes. This is the average current.